Hello, good morning again. We are on the back of Concalma. Concalma is a Bavaria 42 Vision, and I will try to explain you why we have chosen this boat coming from a previous boat that was Alberassi 352. One of the reasons is how nicely is organized all this area and how roomy it is, but also how it fits well for people that want to sail on a single sailing. You have two rudder wheel, and so you can follow the sailing from both sides of the boat, and the Bavaria is totally organized from the instrument, electronics. You have a plotter, you have a sounder, you have of course a wind speed, and you have autopilot. This is the area where you can start the engine and you can work with the engine. It's the only part which I found in all the new boats a little bit strange, because to run this kind of boat you lose completely the visibility of the front of the boat. So most probably in the near future we will move everything here in order to have it much more easier in when we need to maneuver inside of the harbor. Starting from the back, this is one of the nice parts, and this is for not for sailing but for when we are cruising in Croatia. It's very easy, very roomy, and also very easy to use. This is the platform on the back of the boat. Where we can go very easily. That can be open also easily, and that is equipped with a stainless steel stair to go up and down from the boat. This is the holiday part, but it's not a neglectable solution. It's very important because normally we use the boat to have a fun. So sailing is one part, but also have a fun with the family is a very important side. What has touched me a lot coming from Alberassi was the possibility of going directly in the dinette without having the big table as an obstacle. This was exactly the same organization of Alberassi, of course much smaller, and we found this a very good compromise. You have a table outside, but it's not occupying the middle of the boat. So you can reach the dinette, you can reach the inside without having the trouble. From the navigation point of view, when you sail, if you have a single-handed sail, everything can be managed from the rudder wheel. You have the main winch and the small winch. What you usually do is handle the mainsail with the main winch and the Genoa with the small winch. Everything is let's say under control, and one single person using the autopilot is totally autonomous and can handle the boat without any help. By the way, this boat is very comfortable and very easy to handle, also in raw water and raw sea. When you have to manage the mainsail, you have a central unique winch, which is here. And in this case, we have asked Bavaria to equip this winch as electrical winch. This is obviously very interesting to climb the mast, but it's also the winch that we use to maneuver the mainsail to take out and in. For us, it's the first experience with this kind of sail, and I have to say it's really amazing the easiness of managing the sail. So you see, it's easy. It's very easy. You can manage your sail. Then you go on the boat. You sail your boat. You drive your boat. It's easy for maneuvering. It's easy. You have a very nice view. Also from here, you can manage your sail and your winch, electrical winch, so that you should not move. It's easy and simply organized, if I can say. It's not a sophisticated boat, but it's a very nice sailing, and it gives the security of sailing also with two people. So we have posted a video in Italian. We are Italians. Maybe you see my accent is not fully British. So if you want to have more details about the electronics, the instrument, and all the specific things, you can go and watch the video in Italian. Now, just to go to the front of the boat is relatively easy. You see, the boat is flat, quite high here. I have to say that you need to step on from this side or from the other side, but everything is simple, and you don't have obstacle. Also the hatch are flat, so everything, also when you maneuver with sail or when you have a code 0, etc., nothing is really getting. Okay? And the front of the boat is also relatively easy. We are now installing something to have a short sail on the front in order to run the boat also with very heavy weather and wind. Otherwise, this is the furling Genova. Again, it's absolutely simple, and this is the place of the anchor. We have a Mantus anchor that now is outside because we are working in order to fit a new cable here. All this part is for the code 0, so that we can open and close with only two people, one on the back and one here. The only thing which is a little bit short is the rail of the Genoa, as you can see. In theory should be much more on the side, much longer, but being this boat equipped with a short Genoa, what we call here in Italy a 3, is a Genoa that arrives just to the mast, is relatively easy to handle, and the boat is well balanced. We need to leave something, and okay, probably this is not the best solution for pure sailing, but finally it works without problem. So also for this part, if you need some more information, you can go to the Italian video where we show more in detail. Another reason for which we have chosen the boat is that despite sailing performances are extremely nice, the boat is full of space. We are two couple of people of two different ages, and we like to sail for a very long time and for long distances. So we need to have with us a lot of stuff. And when you cruise, you bring with you many things that normally are taking your place in the boat. In this specific case, the storage space is enormous. It's really amazing. You have this big space on the back of the boat that is practically taking all the back of the boat, and where you can put inside the tender, you can put inside many things, and it's really extremely nice to have it without occupying our internal space in the net, etc. Moreover, the boat is equipped with two cabins, one in the front, another very large cabin in the back, and with a very large stowage space, which is taking almost the place of the third back cabin, and is accessible from this side or from the bathroom side. It's really enormous. It's all this side of the boat, and it's really giving to us the opportunity to live and relax, and in the meantime to sail very easily. This is not the publicity paid from Bavaria. It's just because we are extremely proud of what we have after sailing 3 years with this boat. Thank you for watching this video. It's a very short introduction to what we have done. Thank you also, and I hope you have enjoyed my accent, typically Italian accent. I really do hope that you enjoy the video, that it will be interesting, and see you soon. And as we say in Italian, buon vento.